We're gonna be having a cookout. All right, let me break it down. Y'all already know the itinerary. If you don't, I got you. I had to find some shade and some water. So make sure you bring your own camping stuff, okay? I'm talking to my campers or people that wanted to camp. This event is for you guys. This also is for the people that's in the DMV. And we got to travel far away just to have a camping experience. This is for you guys. So I don't want to hear nothing, okay? If you never did it, or if you want to try it, or if you're an expert, because we're going to need y'all experts. I ain't lying. Need y'all. Y'all know. Old lady. Anyway, we're going to need y'all experts because we're going to need y'all to come show us some love and how to do it. Anyway, it was something that I'm going to be passionate about because I saw the history on it. I looked up Idlewild, Michigan, and Black Eden. So y'all do their research on that. That's what made me decide to do something in the DMV, and found out there's a big group already that is already doing things and traveling to do them. So I'm glad and happy to hear about that. But they really did it big in Michigan, Chicago, Ohio. So I'm bringing this to DMV. Okay, so Friday we're gonna do karaoke. We're gonna have a talent show. I want y'all people that sing, love karaoke like me, because I love me some karaoke. And if you got some talent, come bring that talent. That's what we're gonna do on Friday, the first day there. We have a whole weekend there. Sorry about that glare and everything. But anyway, then we're gonna have field day. First we're gonna do field day. We're gonna get good and sweaty, okay? We're gonna do like tug of war, minute to win it games. I definitely am excited about dodgeball, slip and slide. If you don't know what I'm talking about, scroll to the information on the Facebook page, Glamping Under the Stars, and look for that video. It's gonna show you how we're gonna do dodgeball, water slide, okay? Then that's when we'll do the karaoke and talent show that night, because I have a shower on site, like a real shower and a real bathroom. Yes, it's going to be shared, but again, this is adults only, so I'm sure we know how to be adults. So just a bathroom that's gonna have real water, honey. Okay, I'm a glamper. I'm a glamping. And bathrooms, not porta potties, but bathrooms. And so yeah, y'all get freshened up, and then we're gonna do the talent show and the karaoke right after that. Saturday we're gonna do the cookout, so I'm gonna feed y'all real good. So all you grill masters, holler at me, let me know you want to jump on the grill, let me know. So we're gonna I'm gonna try to do brunch. I can't promise y'all that. I'm gonna promise y'all the cookout. Now I promise that. You can bring whatever you want for your diet. You can even bring your own little camping setup. I say please keep it small. There is one there on site, but that's mainly for my cookout for Saturday. You are free to use it if you're going to feed all of us, okay? You can get on it if you're going to feed us, because we're going to be standing around you, okay? And everybody brings something for the grill. How about that? We keep it going. But no, Saturday is a cookout, and it also is the ultimate pool party. Pool party. Did I say a pool? Yes. Yes, a pool on site. It is a pool. We're gonna have a whole pool party, so make sure you bring your water guns, your water balloons, all that. It's a water fight. It's a whole water fight while we camping. Then you can wash up, do whatever again, we got a shower, and then we're gonna have movie night Friday and Saturday. we was going to watch the Tyson fight, but hopefully they can get somebody to get in that place. Netflix was not about to pay them what they wanted. But anyway, we're going to have movie nights Friday and Saturday. Sunday is basically leisure. And what I mean by leisure is you can ride your RVs. Make sure you got insurance. You can fish. We got it's connected to the Shenandoah River. So I forgot the 2 fish that's in there. I want to say bass, but don't hold me to it. But it's 2 types of fish that's in that water. It's connected to the Shenandoah River. Other than that, hit me up. I'm quick to respond. You can do the tickets on Eventbrite. You can cash at me. Send me your name. Mainly your email, so I can keep you up to date and send you all the information, including the address. The address is on the tickets. You will have to purchase the tickets because we want to keep it small. I'm not intimate and private. Okay. So anyway, this is not for everybody. I do quality over quantity. So with that being said, we're gonna eat good, we're gonna have fun, and we're gonna look good while we're doing it. All right, so hit me up anytime. Am I missing anything? The only thing I want to say is I'm excited and I can't wait to see. Oh yeah, one more thing. I got a lot of female attendants. Like, I got a lot of females that signed up to come to Glamping Under the Stars. We gon' need, what my question is, what's up, fellas? Y'all scared to be outside? Y'all can't come outside? I don't want to say the third thing because I'm not going to speak that into existence. Anyway, we're going to need y'all help to help us set up these tents and these RVs and these boats. Okay? Hello? Anyway, I do have some volunteer spots. I'm going to post them. Unfortunately, the volunteer spots has to be paid. I will pay half of your ticket because for the amenities, that's what you're paying for. Like, you know, I do it from my heart, but I have to pay the land. I have to pay the owner. I have to keep this going. I have to feed y'all. So for the volunteers, I will pay the other half of your ticket, and I will put the I will put the positions. I'll post them soon. It's like 2. Yeah. Because I already know the camping community, man, it's nothing but love. I've been following them for a short period of time. I feel like I've known them for a long time. So I think we're going to be able to help each other. But I do want to make sure everything goes smoothly. So I got like 2 positions to post. Other than that, love, peace, and happiness, and I can't wait to see you guys. I'm excited. I have all that coming for you. Let's do it for the DMV. Keep it in the DMV and make this a successful one to be the first annual of many. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, holla at me. Get your tickets. See you July. And I'm out, honey. I'm outside. I'm drinking water and mind my business. Drink water and mind my business.